If you've done any front bumper modifications at all, you're aware that you're left with this big hole on this front crossmember. Luckily, it's a standard size, so let's go ahead and go over the fix. Thankfully, this 2x3 size is a standard size for square tube. So you can go on Amazon and order these little 2x3 caps to fill the hole. Now your exact setup may vary a little bit. Because I have an aftermarket bumper, I have this bolt that goes through. So I just took some regular tin snips and cut a little notch in the bottom of the cap. Now I can simply take the cap and press it into place. Use a little rubber mallet to seat it. And just like that, that unsightly hole is gone. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Most of these things come in a 4-pack, so don't be too scared to mess it up. I'm just going to cut out the little notch in the middle here and leave one fin. There you go. Don't really have to worry about it looking pretty because it's all going to be hidden. Now with the notch cut, we're going to go ahead and slide it into place. That looks way cleaner. Hopefully you guys found that quick tip to be useful. Best part, you can take the 2 extras and go to your friend's Tacoma. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out this next video.